There he is.
There who is?
The big birthday boy.
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Got the Bryce man a balloon. I even tied some brass to it. Check that out. I need to find, I got him a card too. I need to find a pen. There he is.
There who is?
The big birthday boy.
Yeah. Just remember.
I got some surprises on your cart for you over there. Yeah.
I need some prizes. You doing okay today?
Yeah, how are you doing? You having a good birthday so far?
Oh yeah. My wife wished me a happy birthday.
Well, that's always a plus. She remembered. I mean, trying to remember 90 of them, that's kind of hard. I mean, you're only like, what, 70?
Oh, did you see these?
I saw those yesterday. They were in here. You got a BB gun?
No. Always wanted a Red Ryder.
I had one.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What'd you do with it?
I almost shut my eye out, for real. I was shooting a Coke can and it came back and hit me right in the forehead.
Wow.
Oh my God, I shot my eye out.
Whoa, there's a big glove.
Hey, that's my size.
Yeah, you wish. When you were 4 years old.
Yeah, that's a cute little glove.
Yeah.
See, I got you set up. I got you a balloon.
Oh.
Yeah, I got you a balloon.
Well, thank you.
And there's something for the brass man here.
Here.
We got.
I didn't think it was complete, but I don't see how they opened it.
Yeah, I think it pops open. Well, it's sealed, I think.
Well, that's
Yeah.
the point. That's why I think it's complete.
It might be all right.
Okay.
I'll check it out. Yeah, I tied some brass to it.
Did you find that here today, or?
Not today. I've paid for it already. I've got more brass out in the the truck for you.
If I get the envelope open. Great news on your birthday. There's now a pill that reverses aging. I wish.
That'd be nice.
Oh wow! Thank you.
You're welcome. You like Texas, don't you?
Yes. I knew some. Creaky joints. I was thinking about creaky back pain. You're missing one. You know what it is?
What's that?
Pain in the ass.
Shoot.
Hypertension, clogged arteries, memory loss. Have a happy birthday. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's the only thing I found today.
Ooh, you got you a nice cable.
Yeah, that's probably $2 at Hamford's.
I tried to find a card for a 100th birthday. They don't make them, I guess.
100th birthday. Come on now. What do I want to do with that?
There's 25 on there,
Yeah,
just so you know.
That's, you know how I knew that?
Yeah, because I wrote it there.
Thank you.
We've been there a few times. You're welcome. Happy birthday.
You know, this may sound silly.
Yeah,
I appreciate the gift card, but I appreciate this more.
the card.
Well, mainly because it's so appropriate.
Damn. That's a nice find. Where's the rest of them?
The world is not enough.
I'm not sure how much that one goes for. I don't think it's as good as the GoldenEye. What's up?
What's up, dude?
Where you been? Are you retiring?
Working on it.
You came back on a good day.
There you go.
It's sealed.
Still up, dude. Better scan that.
I'm gonna guess it's $5. Scott found a N64 game.
$5.
What? I'll give you $2 right now. Killer Clowns?
Computer needs a cord, there it is.
A lot of stuff. We got. Got here just in time.
Yeah, yep.
Ooh, I think I have that one. Damn, that's cool. You don't want them?
For it.
Shit, thanks, man.
Yep.
I don't have a big Bowser. All right, well, be safe.
I will. See, I won't be here tomorrow.
Yeah, I might
On
take
the date
tomorrow
on
off.
Thursday, so it'll be Friday.
All right, I'll see you Friday, Bryce. Be safe. Not yet.
This movie.
Yeah, I was hoping it'd have the card, but no luck.
My name's Jeff.
Sure.
Did you find any toys?
No toys for me.
What line is this? It's 84.
It's not Mask.
Nice. Too big for me.
Fisher Price. Maybe it's just the adventure people, or whatever the hell they're called.
The wheels on this caught my attention. Well, that's almost stomperish.
Yeah. Is it a Stomper?
83 CBS toys?
CBS.
I think that's what that says.
Lunar Recon.
This, you said mask and now it's in my
That's
head.
that looks like Mask.
Right? It's got
Or
the
maybe
colorway of a mask, kind of. Venom? think it's Mask.
Yeah, that's Mask, I'm pretty sure. I thought this was weird. Found this earlier.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Hasbro, I think.
Goofy looking Spider-Man in a...
Ooh.
Wait, it's like he's too big for that car. Does
Yeah.
he not even go in there?
What's the year on that? 70s?
76.
Damn. Hasbro Air Devils.
Air Devils, the planes that really fly. You gotta deliver a crate marked serum. You start your engine and take off from the Seaside Lab. There's the carrier deck. Drop her down for your final approach.
You want this? It's a good one.
Just no battery cover.
Yeah, it had corrosion. I don't know. Not bad.
Don't look bad. You found it on belt 4, like towards the end?
Yep.
Alright. Oh man. So this is a piece to Air Devils Danger Mountain. Let's see what these plushies are. Shoot! Look at him. Yeah, oh shit.
Wolfman's got nards.
That's a cool cover. You have that?
No. I lost it.
Good one. It's a good movie. 80s. What'd you find?
Eye examiner.
Oh shit. A Welch Allen eye examiner. What's that go for? Very nice. Maybe I'll just get the glasses. Those are kind of cool.
It's chicken.
Ah, that's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's broken, but that's cool.
It's chicken.
All right, man. Take care.
Yep.